guys, we're back in the west area of Singapore, in a place called Jurong, and we're here specifically at the Jurong Bird Park. The park has existed for the last 50 years and they're gonna close it really soon because they're gonna move the park over to the Mandai area alongside with the Singapore Zoo, the night safari and the river safari. I think I've been to this park 4 times in my entire life. Once when I was a kid, once when I was in animation school, and another just after animation school, and this is my 4th visit here. So let's go on in and you know what I'm gonna do in there. It's been a really long while since I came to this park. Right now, because it's celebrating 50 years, it's only $2.50 for the admission ticket, the price that it was 50 years ago. Just in case you're wondering, you are with me, Alvin Mark, and I go around all over Singapore making art on location. So I just want to say hello and welcome to all those who are new to this channel, and those who have been on this channel for a while now, thank you so much for your support. I don't know whether it's because I love sketching with a fountain pen with black ink, but I love to sketch your typical penguin. So guys, those penguins are called African penguins, also known as jackass penguins because of the sounds they make. When it's time for potting, they sound like donkeys. Let's make some penguin sketches right now. So the park will still be open for at least 1 full year before it shifts to Mandai. Penguins are also subject to quarantine rules. Hey guys, so that is Pierre. He is new here. And guess what? He's also being quarantined. So remember guys, this happens to everyone, okay? They're staying away from everyone. So he's new and they're keeping him here in this coral for a few days before he gets to meet his friends. Yeah. Get ready for a fun fact. Queen Elizabeth II and the former Duke of Edinburgh, Prince Philip, was here at the Jurong Bird Park on the 19th of February 1972. I wish I was around then, would have been really cool to have sketched them. They were here in Singapore for a 3-day state visit.
Look to your right. These birds with huge beaks are flamingoes. They use their large pouches to scoop fish and empty the water before swallowing their catch. Watch them in action during people's chit-chat.
Guys, we're in one of the toilets or restrooms here in the Jurong Bird Park, and look at the view. We're actually in, there's a net screen here, but out there is the actual aviary of one of the exhibits. How cool is that? I don't mind washing my hands and counting to 20 seconds while having this view out here. Hey folks, I'm running out of battery. I only brought one. In fact, I didn't bring the whole of my social media kit. Left it at home in the studio. Sorry about that, battery's dead. I'll come back again soon. So once again, this is Alvin Mark. Thank you so much for joining us this episode. It's time to bid farewell. If you've been watching my videos long enough, you will know that I will be back really soon. So hang in there, stay safe, stay healthy. Until the next episode, ciao ciao.